Dear students, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about examples on analytic function, that is a real part and imaginary part. So now we can check it is real part or imaginary part of this equation is, that is question is x sin x into cos hy minus y cos x into sin hy. Just we can check the real part of the this equation, that is let u is equal to x sin x into cos hy minus y cos x into sin hy, called is equation 1. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x partially, and this is ux is equal to, so here x is variable, y is constant, so cos hy write as it is, x write as it is, apply u into v rule here, x into sin x write as it is, what is sin x differentiation is cos x, plus sin x write as it is, what is x differentiation is 1, plus here y is constant, sin hy is constant, what is cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and minus into minus is plus of sin x, or we can write this is the cos hy is there, x cos x plus sin x into cos hy plus y sin x into sin hy. So this is ux, but we want here ui also. Differentiate with respect to y partially, that is here in this equation. So we can here x is constant, means x sin x are constant, cos hy differentiation is sin hy, here minus cos x is the constant, right as it is, y sin hy, apply the uv rule, so y right as it is, sin hy differentiation is cos hy, so sin hy right as it is, y differentiation is 1. So now after that, x sin x into sin hy minus cos x into y of cos hy plus sin hy. Consider f dash of z is equal to ux plus I vx, but vx is equal to minus uy. You know that these are the CR equations. Therefore, f dash of z is equal to ux minus I into uy, and put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. Therefore, f dash of z is equal to z cos z plus sin z into 1. Means substitute these two values into 1 plus 0 minus I into 0 minus 0. So after that we get f dash of z is equal to z cos z plus sin z, but we want here f of x only. So f of x, sorry, this is not f of x, this is f of z. This is in terms of f of z only. This is f dash of z is equal to z cos z plus sin z, but we can integrate with respect to z. After that we get the f of z of this term, that integrate with respect to z. So this is z only, you can remember, just you can correction it, this is z only. So now integrate with respect to z, f of z is equal to, so z integration of cos z, means we can apply the uv rule, integration by parts we can apply here. So this is z cos z, z right as it is, integration of cos z into gz dz minus single integration of differentiation of z, and again integration of cos z into dz into with respect to dz plus c. This is the rule of the uv rule, means integration by parts. So sin z integration is cos z. So now z cos z integration is sin z, z sin z minus, so integrate z dz 1, integration of cos z is sin z into dz plus c minus cos z. So now z sin z plus sin z integration is cos z, means minus cos z plus cos z, and this is minus cos z plus c, cos z cancel, so remaining is f of z is equal to z into sin z plus c. This is the example, this is the real part of this equation, that is x sin x into cos hy minus y cos x into sin hy. So these are this is the importance one of the universal level. This is the find the real part of this equations. Okay, so you have any difficulties about this one, so you remember here only the CR equations. Okay, in place of X we can substitute the minus uy, so this equation becomes ux minus uy, and here uy value, this is ux value, substitute these two value then we can substitute the standard value x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. After that you get f dash of z, this is z only, na? F dash of z is equal to, then integrating we get the z sin z. Okay, thank you.